I need a lightweight vacuum machine. I got this. This is the Tineco Cordless vacuum machine. I got it from Target. We open the box and here's the quick start guide. We're going to follow the instruction to put it together. So let's see what's inside the box. These are the parts. So first there's the power switch and the handle. And then next to it there's the stick. And then is a wall mounting dock charger. And then is the crevice tool. And then 2-in-1 dusting brush and LED multitasker power brush. We're going to connect the handle and the stick together. And they'll line up based on the power. So put these two together. Hit a click. I go vacuum the floor, so I'm gonna connect the stick with the power brush. And so you see the hole here also, right? The power holes. So line up together. Hit a click. Okay. Vacuum this. I'm going to put on this crevice tool for the corner to vacuum. Put it in. Okay. Let's try this. Try this. So this vacuum cleaner also clean for the vent for the central air. The same, you're gonna see the laser blue light show up. I'm try to clean the vents. I'm gonna connect the stick with the brush. Put it in. Hit a click. So I press here to go flex. And then from here, if I need a brush, I press this so I can brush. This. You can connect the tool to the handle without a stick. So put this one in, this one, take it out, and this one also, the brush one, click. Okay, and let's try to vacuum. You can vacuum for table, sofa, and car seat. So this vacuum cleaner can vacuum the sofa, and you should see the laser light on top of it to see it's functioning. And this is for the sofa, so move back and forth, clean the sofa. Let's empty the dustbin. Press this, came out, so to clean the dustbin. Push it back. I'm gonna charge this cordless vacuum cleaner. I'm going to plug it in. Here's the handle and plug it in. And we need to charge 5 to 6 hours, and it can be used for 40 minutes. Here are my comments after using the machine for a few months. Pros: machine is lightweight and portable. The suction is great for small area like corners and lower or higher spaces cleaning. It has a cool feature allowing you to twist the handle around so it moves more naturally. Cons: it still needs more power to clean the wooden floor or carpet for whole house. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel. Press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.